Hi, hello, welcome to Tinguru. This is Suresh. You're watching Tinguru YouTube channel. In this video, I'm introducing my friend Upendra from Goa.
Hello
Upen,
everyone.
yeah, introduce yourself to our
So
viewers.
this is Upendra Virnekar. I am from Goa. In Goa, in the central of Goa, there is a small taluka known as Funda. So I belong to there. I'm from village area.
Yeah, good. Any special about your area? Anything
So
special?
my area, there are many temple areas.
Hmm.
So most of the foreigners and even
Yeah.
tourist people come to see temples because Goa has a unique style of temples.
Yeah.
So what style is there? That is Indo-Portuguese style temple.
Okay.
You won't find those type of architecture anywhere in India.
Yeah.
So it's a combination of both Portuguese style architecture and an Indian style.
Portuguese and
Indians.
Indian.
Because Goa has been always.
Any history with Portuguese?
Goa was ruled by Portuguese.
Oh, good.
Goa was not a part of British India. Goa was liberated in 1961. So we celebrate 19 December is Goa Liberation Day.
19 December?
Yes.
Good. Know about and how you know about this field?
So this field I know because my cousin uncle is also into this field. He has been chief engineer for many years. So I have seen how his life has changed, how things went. So I have seen tremendous change in how he developed himself. So in that way I got that I should also do something. So after completing engineering, I was thinking how I could get into this field, and then I got that electrical also can go into this field. First I thought only mechanical guys can get into this field, but later on I got to know that also electrical guys are also getting into this field by a course known as ETO.
Good. And any special food in your area?
Yeah, most of the people are very fond of fish in Goa.
Fish,
So people cannot also like, some of them want daily fish. So most of houses, if it's excluding Mondays, every day it's fish.
Your location nearby beach?
No, around 30-40 kilometers.
30-40 kilometers.
Yes.
But you go every day? Huh?
No, what
No.
every day. So far it's traveling is not possible.
Yeah, Andhra people and so many state people are willing to come Goa for enjoying.
Yeah, they can come. That's
Yeah.
not.
So many what do you call lodges? So many there, na?
Beaches. Yeah, Goa is
beaches
famous
also.
for beaches,
Beaches, beginnings.
churches. That's a bad image about Goa that has been made, but it's not correct.
Okay.
But
All are foreigners. Huh?
yeah, many foreigners come, but most of the beaches have been specially made for wearing bikinis itself, because Indian tourist suddenly starts gazing them and it doesn't look good.
Yeah.
So there are all beaches you cannot go and wear bikinis. There are only specific beaches where they allow.
Okay.
So
How much
that-
cost their living cost there?
Goa is very expensive.
Expensive.
Yes.
Compared with Mumbai.
You if you see like other facilities,
Okay.
excluding food, other things are in costly in Goa because Goa, most of them have a lot of money. They are very independent. Literacy rate is also very high. All are very educated, so that's why
Yeah.
cost of living in Goa has been
Businessman's there.
very high. After tourism, it's been always high.
What your father profession?
My
Family
father
background.
has done a private business, plus we have some farmland also.
Oh, good. Any business in this field like tourism?
No, not in.
No, not interested.
No.
You want after become ATO, fully ATO, you
Yes.
learn lakhs of money, na?
Yeah, sure.
What do you do with that?
First of all, I'll make my house better,
Yeah.
of course.
Okay. Luxury life.
Yeah, I
Enjoy.
just enjoy my life the fullest, like the fullest.
Okay. Any plans? Business plan?
No business plans.
No
I
business
am not interested in.
Okay. And what's your favorite food?
Favorite food is homemade fish curry and fish fry
Fish.
with rice.
Good. Fish fry?
Fish curry.
Fish curry. Excellent. And one more thing I want to say. Which language in Goa?
Konkani.
Konkani.
Yes.
Okay. Can you tell me about your language?
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
then
little bit similar to, you can say, Marathi.
Marathi.
Somewhat, not
Yeah.
totally,
It's a
but
part of.
you can say it's somewhat similar to, but Marathi people cannot understand fully Konkani. They might understand 2-3 words here and there, but it won't be that easy for them to understand. But Konkani people will surely understand Marathi very easily,
Okay.
and they can even talk also, speak also, write also.
Can you say any some words in Konkani and convert it in translate in English?
So from Konkani I have to convert it to English.
Yeah, so English to Konkani also.
Okay, or you give me some.
Some related. Nothing. You can
Okay.
as you wish.
So if you want to say what is your name, we could say like तुझे नाव किदे.
तुझे नाव कीजिए
किदे.
किधे.
Okay.
Okay.
If you want to respond, my name is Anga Suresh, then you should say माझे नाव Anga Suresh.
तुझे नाव means name.
Name. Now
Yeah.
means name.
Good.
माझे नाव Anga Suresh.
Hmm.
That's it.
How many letters in Konkani?
Konkani is one of the language which you can write in English also, and you can write it in Devanagari script also.
Devanagari.
That's what we write in Hindi and Marathi.
Okay. Telugu, Dravida language.
And in Konkani, people who are in Karnataka, because there are people in Karnataka who speak Konkani itself, because Konkani is a region-specific language, it's not a state-specific. So the entire west coast of India, which is Konkan, which will speak Konkani, but dialect changes very fast.
Okay.
So in Karnataka, they write Konkani in Kannada, in that script.
Okay.
Where there are some Konkani Catholics and all, they will have prayer books in
Yeah.
Kannada, this thing.
Okay.
Writing script will be Kannada, but it will be in Konkani.
How is the politics in Goa?
What?
Politics.
Politics in Goa is there is vacancy of leader.
Vacancy of
leader. There is no proper leader.
No
right?
proper leader. Vacancies.
Yeah.
You guys, listen. Who want to go Goa? Vacancies there in politics.
And that's why many leaders are also coming. Aam Aadmi Party is also coming, and TMC is also coming.
So many parties.
Yeah.
No one interested in politics, na?
Not no one, but many few leaders are.
Proper
There are
leader.
no proper leader. After the death of Manohar Parrikar, he was the defense minister of India. He died due to his cancer.
Cancer.
So after that, there has been a lot of vacant in leader. There is no proper leader to guide.
Okay. Good. Any from childhood to till now,
Yeah.
you feel something lack. What is it?
I don't feel I have lack.
Okay.
No,
Okay.
I don't feel like that.
Good.
Whatever and I'm satisfied.
What do you stand?
My strength is I'm all helpful. That was I feel. I don't know what other feel.
Before coming to here, we are also in some group, na?
Yeah. So I feel I'm helpful, and I also whenever I want to learn new things, I go into deep. So like I learn it fully.
Like scientist.
Yeah.
Scientist.
Yeah.
Good.
I have that kind of
mentality.
Yeah.
Good. Any suggestion to our viewers? Like how
I'm-
to build up their life.
No, I'm not that successful to guide anyone. But
Okay.
definitely I'll tell that whatever you like to do, you can pursue it. Don't think that you cannot do, or you just try it. Whatever comes, give 100% to it. That's it.
Okay. Good, Ben. Thank you for your interview.
Thank
Guys,
you.
if you want any more from Goa, let's comment below. Okay? He will guide you.
Thank you, guys. Sure.
Thank you, Ben, for your cooperation.